The Lodge Cast Iron Griddle delivers heavy-duty performance, with lower sidewalls and a wider cooking surface. Great for the stovetop, campfire or oven. Seasoned cookware. A good seasoning makes all the difference. Lodge seasons its cookware with 100% vegetable oil, no synthetic coatings or chemicals. The more you use your iron, the better the seasoning will get. Made in the USA. Lodge has been making cast iron cookware in South Pittsburg, Tennessee, population 3,300, since 1896. With over 120 years of experience, their cast iron is known for its high-quality design, lifetime durability, and cooking versatility. Silicone handle holder protects hands from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Not intended for use in oven. The Lodge Cast Iron 10.5-inch griddle is a multifunctional cookware that works wonders with all your favorite foods. This griddle is essential for big breakfasts, tortillas, quesadillas, roasted vegetables and grilled sandwiches. Cast iron loves a campfire, a stovetop, or an oven, and can slow cook foods without scorching. It retains heat well so you can sear meat at higher temperatures and will keep your delicious meals warm for a long time. Whether used in a kitchen or camp, this virtually indestructible cookware should last for generations. Made of cast iron, this griddle evenly distributes heat from the bottom through the sidewalls. Sporting a stylish black color, the cast iron cookware looks good in most kitchens and it doubles up as an excellent source of nutritional iron. Measures 10.5 inches diameter and 0.5 inches deep. Cast iron, like your grandmother used, still ranks as one of the best cooking utensils ever made. It gives you a nearly non-stick surface, without the possible harmful fumes generated by preheating chemically treated non-stick cookware. The American-based company, Lodge, has been fine-tuning its construction of rugged, cast-iron cookware for more than a century. The black patina given to the cookware by the factory seasoning process is, in fact, vegetable oil that has been baked into a piece of cookware that has emerged from an individual sand mold. This coating of oil is a functional application and not a cosmetic application. Top reviews from the United States. An enthusiastic 5 stars. I spent a long time reading the reviews for this pan and was amused by the controversy re seasoning and oils. When I bought my griddle, it also got some avocado oil, which has the highest smoking point, 520 degrees. I haven't found that it takes much longer for it to heat up compared to other pans. Confession time. I bought this mainly to heat up tortillas. It's been a joy to use and I appreciate the fact that cooking with it will only get better as it develops a patina. It's obviously well made and the hot handle holder was an easy add-on. An enthusiastic 5 stars.